There is a place on Earth where the world's highest waterfall drops more than 3,000 feet down the face of a remote plateau. Here in South America, vast tracts of land remain completely unexplored. Shrouded mountaintops hide the world's oldest rocks. And among the rocks dwell mysterious creatures, more ancient than the dinosaurs. Here, legendary rivers of gold and fields of precious stones have lured explorers and adventurers. Many have disappeared without a trace. This lush and exotic wilderness is one of the least known places on Earth. A landscape lost in time. A lifelong passion to uncover its secrets has brought Adrian Warren here many times. As a pilot, explorer, biologist, and filmmaker, Adrian knows this wonderland as well as anyone on Earth. Join him on a journey of discovery into an Eden called the Lost World. Located in the southeastern corner of Venezuela, the Lost World is a vast group of plateaus, which local people call tepuis. Also on the program, a special behind-the-scenes look at the making of this living Eden.
Major funding for nature is provided by the Park Foundation, dedicated to education and quality television. Major corporate support is made possible by Canon, dedicated to preserving the never-ending beauty of nature. Canon lets you capture the wild in photographs and leave it as you found it. Canon. Ford. Preserving our national parks is an important issue, so Ford has established a number of projects from research and education to cleaner burning vehicles and bicycles in the parks. Ford, working to share today's treasures with future generations. And by TIAA-CREF. How is it that some people always seem to make ends meet when you're sure that money was the last thing on their minds? TIAA-CREF, managing money for people with other things to think about. This program was made possible by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.